Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat is a simple process that can serve various purposes depending on your needs. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the Adobe Acrobat application, be it on the web or the Acrobat software that you're using. In my case, there are two options for this. You can basically select a file, all right? You can export it here, or you see, there should be an option to export a PDF. All right, whatever you wanted. All I have to do is click the file here. You see, you can export from the document, your computer, and add an account. Or you can add a file from your device or drag and drop your files here, whichever you prefer. And it'll take a little bit of time. Now the file has been uploaded. It's very easy. Now you can explore some of the Adobe Acrobat tools for to begin your work. But if you want, you can simply click the skip tour if this is going to be the first time. All right. Now again, from here you can do a lot of things. You can combine multiple related documents into one for easy sharing or storage. For example, you can merge contracts, reports, or meeting notes into a single file. All right. Now you can organize the pages, combine files, and share. If you click this button, what will happen is you just enter the name or email that you wanted to share this PDF file that you wanted. All right. You can have an option for the allow the comments here when you send this PDF to your maybe client or your boss, or if you're working with multiple freelancers. All right. You see, get a link to this document to share to others. You can also do that. Then the three dots icon here is you can open in desktop app or download this file again, whichever you prefer, right? So there's a lot of options that you can do when you add a PDF here in Adobe Acrobat, because organizing documents here is helpful in a specific order for presentations or printed report. And from here you have multiple options for you to use, but we are going to do that in a separate video. All right. And of course, here you can manage multiple files, merge them into one to save time and reduce the clutter. I always do this, especially when working in a project with multiple people inside of it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.